Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa Creates, and at this channel I create whatever I feel like, whatever inspires me. And on my Pinterest I've been seeing all these beautiful wire flower sculptures or bouquets lately, and I was like, I want that. So I have some wire, I have some pliers, let's get crafting. So I just eyeballed my cuts, but I should have measured because my flowers weren't long enough. You'll see this in a bit. But once you have your wire, you're gonna wrap it around a dowel and make sure to leave a couple inches just hanging out, and then twist it, and this creates the first petal. Now it's time to make the second petal, so using the dowel as a guide again, wrap the longer wire around and twist to lock in the petal. And again, we're going to repeat that step of wrapping the wire around the dowel. We do this a total of 5 times to have a 5-petal flower. So now that we have the 5 petals, you use the shorter wire that's sticking out, that's not the stem, and you take that and you kind of weave together the 5 petals. This secures them in place, and it also creates the center of the flower. Once the petals are secured, take the wire and twist it at the base of the flower. Now that we have the basic shape of the flower, take the pliers and kind of create like petal shapes. So it's kind of asymmetrical, there's some movement to them. Just play around with it. Now we're going to make some leaves. I like to imagine this as a eucalyptus plant. So with the wire and the pliers, just kind of make loops and just make loop after loop after loop. And I had them alternating direction, but as you can see, some of my loops were facing the same direction. That's fine, because then you could just twist it with the pliers afterwards. It's actually easier if you make all the loops in the same direction and then twist them to alternate. So again, I'm making another flower, so remember that we want 5 petals, so using the dowel to help create the guide for the petals, twist it to lock it in. With the little wire that was sticking out, use that to weave together all 5 pieces and to create one solid flower and secure it in place. I'm adding a leaf to the stem of this flower, so I'm creating a big loop, kind of twisting and locking it in place. And then with my hands and the pliers, I'm shaping a leaf form. So because I didn't measure, a couple of my flowers were a little too short, so I'm just using extra wire that I have and kind of twisting this new wire with the flower to create an extension. I think I finished. I have a little bit of wire left in case I do need to add more. But now that I have like all my flowers and little leaves, I'm gonna put it into my vase that I have. Also, this is so messy. Do you see my hands? kind of bend and rotate everything to where you want it to sit. So with my extra wire, I'm really debating on if I should make another flower or more kind of leafy bits. Yeah, I think this could use another flower. Let's give you a leaf. How cute! Okay, let's go stage this. So I just finished and I'm quite happy with it. I really like how it just looks like a drawing come to life. Like if I were to take a Sharpie and just quickly sketch some flowers, it would just look exactly like this. So that is super fun, how it's like a three-dimensional sketch come to life. If I were to do this DIY again, I would probably pick a wire that was a little bit more malleable. This one is quite thick and it's also like so messy. I don't know why the black was transferring so much. I am wearing all white, but I think I'm the clear. But yeah, overall, I think it looks so good. I love it against like a white background. I think that looks so great. If you like this tutorial and want to see more DIY and craft videos, please give me a thumbs up. I'm Vanessa Creates. Bye!